Right heel in, roll the right inner thigh up, reach back for the right foot. Instead of pulling it in, kick it away. So it's a back bend. Maybe you come up onto the left palm. More advanced, left hand under the shoulder. We come up, big breath in. Draw the back muscles down, chest up like we worked in the push-ups. Roll it down. Okay, start on the forearms again. Inner thighs roll up, push into the ground. Left foot in, the knee is parallel. Grab the outer left foot with the left hand. Kick the foot back. Go for length, shin back, chest forward. Maybe you press up onto the hand. Even more work in your pelvic wheel. Tuck it under. Maybe right hand under shoulder. We bring it up. Big breath in. Okay, roll it down. So stay with that, or we go into full rocking prep. So you're bending your heels in. Oh, what? We started here at the beginning of class. Energetically hug your inner thighs together. It's not your knees touching. It's just a wrapping inwards of the body. Reach back for your ankles. Flex your feet. And come up to a hover with your chest. Hover your thighs 1 inch. Now create length. Shins push back, chest moves forward. So your gaze is gonna naturally lift, but don't look up. Push your chest up more than your neck. See if you can tighten your stomach, pull your ribs in. Now big breath in, lift, lift, lift. And deep breath out. Good, press to all fours. Exhale deeply and round the spine. Contract your abs. Good, and then flat back. Okay, here we go. Peak finisher. We're gonna do high bridge. That is a back bend. If that does not work for you, come into a hold of a glute bridge. You know it if you're still in class right now. I know you know what that is without me demoing. Okay, so when we do high bridge, doesn't matter how advanced you are, always, always press up to the top of your head, reset the form, then come up. If you have socks, take them off for safety so you don't slip. Anyways, come to the top of your head and then we're gonna push up. So open your hand really wide. Flex the wrist and plant the hands down right behind the shoulders. Pull the elbows in. As I press up to the top of my head, I'm gonna tuck my pelvis deeply. This will keep it out of the low back. So meet me on the top of your head, hold. You're not sitting on your head. You're pulling the shoulders away from your head. Weight firmly in the hands and feet. Pull the elbows towards each other and then start to press up. Think of length. Push your chest through your arms. Straighten your arms. Where are your inner thighs? Roll them down to the floor. Let your head hang freely and see if you can breathe up into your rib cage and your chest in this position. Energetically, all the way up the front line of the body. Ankles, inner knees, pelvic floor, navel. It's going up. Back line of the body, shoulders, bottom of the glutes, heels is going down into the floor. Let's take 3 more breaths in. Relax your face. 1 more breath in. Now slowly exhale. Bend your elbows, roll through the back of the spine. Lay on your back, don't do anything. Just chill. Breathe, let your back slowly go from a back bend just to flat before we round it. So we don't want to freak the spine out by going drastically one way than the other. Now imprint your back and tighten your stomach. Ribs, abs tight. Press that lower back down. You should feel a little stretch there. Now draw the knees in and give yourself a hug. You guys, you completed that Real Deal Pilates. How do you feel?